For those of you that are not familiar with cutting aluminum at home, do a little demonstration, give you some 411 on cutting aluminum with your regular woodworking. So a lot of people don't know this. So use a fine carbide tip blade, and I'm going to cut some gravity mount material that I'm hanging some shutters with. Let me show you how easy this is. Try to mount this phone on a little stand here. Hang on one second. Boom. Alright, PPE's in place. There we go. So what these are for, I've got one mounted here. So this makes it easier to mount shutters, things like that. We use it in the sign business. Basically, you put one piece on the back of your material and one piece on the wall. And this is the way it works. So there you go. So that's a gravity mount. You put a little spacer on the bottom, the same thickness as the aluminum gravity mount. That spaces the shutter off the wall. I did a little temporary here. Stuck it on the wall just to see how well it would fit. Notice you leave a little cavity facing up, and that's where you hang your shutter. So these will be going on brick. So what I did was I got together a little care package from my brother-in-law, and here's a Tapcon bit, and here's all the Tapcons and the spacer pieces already beveled for a flathead screw. And there's a little handiwork this week, making some shutters. So that's a little 411 on cutting aluminum with your chop saw and how to hang shutters with ease. By the way, I took a big level and checked this shutter after I had it mounted to the wall, and it was absolutely die perfect. All I did when I mounted the gravity mount to the wall, I just held it up there, made sure my bubble was level, and then ran the screws in the two sides, and turned out perfect. So if you're nervous about cutting aluminum, don't worry about it. Use a fine-tooth blade, go slow, and don't cut small pieces. I was a little nervous cutting these little spacer blocks. They got to be very careful. Hope that helps. Have fun. DIY.